Many ask about different kind of clutch discs. So this is what we're going through today. So you would have, firstly we would talk about the material itself. Here you can see there's two kinds of material. You have the OEM kind one and you have the aftermarket one. So the aftermarket one are available in different kind of setups and compounds, etc, etc, but this is how it looks like. Aftermarket with different pucks, 4 pucks, 5 pucks, 6 pucks, etc. And the OEM style, same there. Of course there are different kind of compounds in this, but this is how it looks like. So let's call it the OEM style and the aftermarket style from here. And you would have the OEM style to have a very drivable clutch. This kind would take some heat, but if you're slipping the clutch for racing purpose, you would not want to go with this one because it will overheat, it will get too hot and it will not function properly afterwards. That's why you're changing to the aftermarket compound. And this aftermarket compound is much more tolerant for high temperature. So it's a different friction coefficient, but the top temperature it can handle is much higher than the OEM compound. So that's why you're choosing this aftermarket clutch. And this specific clutch is sprung. You can also have these kind of clutches in different setups. So that's about the compound. So if you're using your car for the street, the sprung one is perfectly fine. It will be very, very durable. But if you're doing like drag racing, drifting, etc., you should not have a sprung one because it will not handle the clutch kicking and the high horsepower hitting it max to both sides, turning the clutch. So for a drift car or a drag racing car, you would need a stiff clutch. And for a daily driver or a performance daily driver or some track testing, you know, this will be the better choice. The sprung clutch would be a better choice because it's a much smoother ride. If you're just doing some lighter tuning, this kind of sprung OEM compound would be the best version for you.